So today we'll be attempting this hairstyle right here. I'll just be using my styling cream and a spray bottle to achieve this, and flexi rods as well.
What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
Her hair looks like it's type 3, so it's naturally curly, but my hair is not. For the part that she curled, I'll be curling mine with flexi rods.
I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can think of you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Sipping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, baby, baby. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can think of you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Sipping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
I don't have the exact beads she has, but I do have these clear beads. I'm just going to put 3 on each side. This is how I put my beads. So first of all, I'll put 3 on a latch hook. and then hook it to my hair, close up the hook, bring it upwards. I'll take a black rubber band and tie it up. Then I bring these ones down.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
So I think she used a string. I found a string to wrap around her and not mess. Well, my bounty knots are smaller than hers, so I need a string. I don't know. I'm not going to do the string on my bounty knots because I feel like it's going to ruin my bounty knots. Lastly, for this curly part, I'm going to use heat. I'm just going to blow dry for a couple seconds. That was definitely more than a few seconds. That was like 3 minutes.
This penthouse view is beautiful as you. One of our time, but I don't think I'll be. Oh, I used to tell.
No, nothing happened. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what we can.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my.
So blow drying isn't helping, twisting it isn't helping, so I'm just going to put gel on it to like weigh it down.
I know I've been away. Don't get my shit away. Just trying to get my mind straight.
And I guess it looks better than how it looked before. Let me just, yeah. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. I don't want to do my edges because I don't know, I just don't feel like doing my edges. But this is the final look. I really like it. If you would like to know the history of my natural hair, like how I turned natural in the first place, the products I used when I was relaxed, make sure you check out this video right here.